Hello, folks. Welcome to Jim Shorts. Yes, and today we are on Dania Beach. Right? It's Dania Beach, right?
Yes.
We are at Dania Beach, guys, and we decided to do the beach this morning just to change up our regular routine of the gym or the park. And so we're gonna be doing just some light exercises. When you're at the beach, it's more about the environment than actual physical workout. Yes, you can physically work out, but the environment changes a lot of the stress, and you know what I mean?
More relaxing.
Yeah, so we're gonna be walking on the beach like lovers do, yes, holding hands and all them something there. And then we're gonna just be running through some like a simple routine. But I just wanted you guys to see that you can take your exercise regimen or your fitness regimen to a different environment, a different place. And let's see what we get done today. Yes.
Hey guys, how are you? It's a beautiful morning. It's a Tuesday morning and we just decided spontaneously to get our butts out of the house, you know? Yeah, and that's one of the things that I like about being self-employed. There's somewhat of a flexibility and you can set your own schedule to fit, your needs. So, the morning was free and we just opted to come out and enjoy some of the beautiful benefits of living in South Florida.
Yeah, bumps and rocks.
Ooh, yeah.
Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, and I hope you like jamming too. In the rules ain't no bar, we can do it anyhow. We'll see you through. 'Cause every day we pay the price, we'll deliver sacrifice. Jamming till the jam is through. We're jamming.
Bumps and ranks come from mash up the place.
Two, three, come on. Four.
We're jamming, look out, we're jamming right straight from your. And the rules ain't no power, we can do it anyhow. We'll see you through. 'Cause every day we pay the price, we'll deliver sacrifice.
She's working.
Jamming till the jam is through. We're jamming.
Bumps and ranks come from the place.
In Mount Zion, it rules all creation. We're jamming. Ooh yeah.
Yes, so there you have it, guys. It was indeed a beautiful morning. You know, it was such a refreshing change to enjoy nature.
Yes.
And to just work out in a different environment where we could be at one with each other.
Hallelujah.
And nature.
I feel so much nature right now.
So yes, guys, thanks for watching, and until next time, we will catch up with you again as we seek to keep fit
with another gym shots. Remember me tell you,
if you have your pants, still wear it.
Really? Sure.